Today, we will be learning how to solve and graph inequalities. Brenda has $500 in her bank account. Every week, she withdraws $40 for her expenses. Without making any deposits, how many weeks can she withdraw this money if she wants to maintain a balance of $200? So first, we need to set up an inequality for Brenda. But before that, we need to underline key details. For example, the phrase "at least." We underline this phrase because this phrase means the sign being used is the greater than or equal to sign. We also need to underline numbers that will be needed to solve the problem, like 500, 40, and 200. The last thing we need to underline is the word withdraw, which means that she's taking away money. So the operation that is needed is subtraction. Our inequality would be 500 minus 40x is greater than or equal to 200. This is because 500 is what Brenda originally had. She is withdrawing $40 every week, and we don't know the amount of weeks, so x is used to represent the weeks. Since she wants to maintain a balance of $200, the last part of the problem is greater than or equal to 200. Now we solve. First, subtract 500 from itself and 200. You now have negative 40x is greater than or equal to negative 300. When you are multiplying or dividing two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. So negative 40x divided by negative 40 is x, and negative 300 divided by negative 40 is 7.5. So we also need to flip the sign because you need to flip the sign when multiplying or dividing integers. So the answer is x is less than or equal to 7.5. Now it's time to graph the inequality on the number line. The answer is 7.5, so you need to draw a closed circle on 7.5. It would be a closed circle because less than or equal to and greater than or equal to always has a dot like that. Here's a trick. It takes 2 steps to make a greater than or equal to sign and a less than or equal to sign, and it also takes 2 steps to make a colored in circle. So, you also need to draw an arrow pointing to the left because it is less than 7.5. Now your graph would look like that. It is important in this problem and in similar problems to know that an inequality is different from an equation or expression. So this is how you would solve and graph an inequality. Hope this video helped.